gap there though, like, you know, big enough gap. You could upgrade this with 70cc, you know that? It's got the potential for it. Well, most of them do, but I just need to be able to hold it with strength. With the power, like, you know, like engine wise, piston wise. And most people that do that, then they fucking blow pistons and clutch belts all over the place. The only one of them fucking people on the statistic, whatever the bleeding word is. I hate this fucking plastic. 3 o'clock in the morning here now with him. Can't sleep, so it's a fucking, you know what? I'm down here and have a little go with this. What's going on here? Gunk. Where is she? I don't really care about the hardware, like bolts and stuff like that. I'll just screw them back in, but fucking, it needs to be cleaned. Stuff all of them holes with bleeding plastic. Sellotape them up. Get rid of the wire brushing. Just a bit of degreaser. Use it for a fucking hour or two and whack it out. Put them back in so they don't get lost. There's always one or two that gets fucking lost. Sorry for my language. But there's always one or two that gets lost. I was just saying. Stay there. Snails now, when I fucking lost a screw. Now where the fuck did that bounce at? This one had me fucking, yes, right. Back to that. The dome of the head's already. That needs to be clean. Carburetor. Don't even know what them wires are for. Figure it out. And fucking get new shit and put it all back together. Split these cases and get that water out. Fucking hook down a starter motor up to this thing here and fucking hook up to a car battery and see what they jump. Should start.